65 million years ago, the dinosaurs had a very bad day. An asteroid more than 6 miles wide smashed into the Earth and wiped out almost all life on the planet. Could it happen to us? The answer is yes. Asteroids are simply chunks of rock loosely held together, or solid metal. They usually live in the asteroid belt between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Sometimes an asteroid's orbit changes, and that's when Earth gets in the way. Small rocks enter the Earth's atmosphere all the time, but most are too small, and they streak through the atmosphere as meteors or blow up. So what would it take to destroy a city like New York? An asteroid the size of 3 football fields, traveling about 10 miles per second, should about do it. The atmosphere has no chance against asteroids that big. The rock zooms lower and lower, about 50 times the speed of sound. This one is so big it'll make it all the way to the ground. It'll crush everything in its path, the crater stretching from about Central Park down to deep into Brooklyn, throwing pieces out of the crater for tens of miles. Every steel building would come crumbling to the ground from Westchester down, throughout suburban New Jersey, and in all of Brooklyn and Queens. And the heat has the potential to set people's clothing on fire in Long Island and give people in Connecticut first-degree burns. NASA is working hard to find ways to push killer asteroids off course, but first they have to find them. And even though they're getting better at that, they still can't see every possible threat before it comes to Earth. About 1 out of every 5 people is a target. Mosquitoes want your blood.